In this video, we'll discuss what is clipping in computer graphics. Before I further go into clipping, let us know about viewing volume. What is a viewing volume in computer graphics? To understand viewing volume in a better way, let's see, suppose your eye is here at position A and you are looking to some object. The front view, suppose you are looking a tree, then you will look the front view of a tree, and this window, first clipping window, will be towards your eye, and the second clipping window, because you are looking at tree will have some volume, and tree will be located in this region. See the region, this shape is forming a truncated pyramid like a structure. This is one face, this is the another face. So anything, any object that you see, that will be located in this volume. Let us take a real life example to understand what is viewing volume exactly. See, there are several cars in a car racing game. Some cars are at the front and some of them are at back. But how do we know actually that they are some of the cars are at front and some of the cars are at back? We are actually viewing the two-dimensional image. But how do we get to know that some of the cars are behind? All the cars logically should be at the same position because it is two-dimensional object. But still we are able to capture it that some of the cars are located behind. And see, the red cars are front and the blue cars at behind. This is due to viewing volume. We have specified some viewing range in our computer exactly similar to this viewing volume. One car will be at this position and the other car will be at this position and the rest of the cars will be at this position. So different cars will be at different position in our viewing volume. We have several functions in computer graphics which allow us to specify a particular viewing volume range, in which we can pass parameter as near, far, left coordinate, right coordinate like this, upper coordinate, bottom coordinate like this. For example, we have a function called orthogonal view, glue ortho 2D. We can specify using this function, in which we can pass near parameter and far parameter and left as well as right parameter. Now let us see what is clipping. So clipping is simply a method which helps us in deciding whether region should be selected or not. Let us understand this with real life example. Suppose this is your computer and this is one image in your computer screen. This is your viewing volume range. This is left position and this is right position. So you can see an image which are located from left to right position, between the left to right position. But what if image goes beyond this viewing range? Situation will be like this. This is your computer screen, and when image is growing, this is going out of your viewing range. From left side, from right side, this is going out of your viewing range. So this time we do clipping, that we remove the portion which are out of our viewing range, or we can say viewing volume. When we remove the regions which are out of our viewing volume, the situation will be like this. The image fitted into our computer screen and image appears on our computer screen like this. Let us observe here that the portion which were going out of the window, we have clipped that region, that is, we have removed that region. I hope you would have understood the concept of clipping and viewing volume. Thanks for watching, friends. See you in next video.